Akshita joining us from the newsroom. Akshita, take us through the chronology of events that started right this morning at 7 a.m. All the way to now. What's been the statement of the UP police, and going by the entire encounter? Please take us through the explanation there. How did this encounter take place as per the explanation of the UP police?
So before I give you those details, Nabila, let me just explain to you how, this has been a very, very eventful week. Things started off on July 3rd, early in the morning. That's when the encounter, the ambush on police officials happened, leading to the death of 8 cops. From there, Vikas Dubey managed to escape. We were told he cycled for 5 kilometers, then took a bike and exited Uttar Pradesh. Many days later, after there was a massive manhunt, he was spotted almost 478 kilometers away, and this was in Faridabad in Haryana at a hotel. There were raids conducted. There was also CCTV images that emerged from Faridabad which indicated that yes, Vikas Dubey had managed to travel from Kanpur to Uttar Pradesh. So this was on July 7th, and this is a picture also of that CCTV image which cops were looking into. So by this point, it was clear that he was out of Uttar Pradesh, which is when now you had cops, police departments from different states really being roped in. What's interesting is, despite that, in a matter of 2 days, from July 7th on July 9th, that's yesterday, he was found in Ujjain. 774 kilometers he's travelled from Faridabad to Ujjain, which means that from Haryana he went into Rajasthan and then entered Madhya Pradesh. It was in Ujjain at the Mahakal temple that he was nabbed yesterday. And it, led to a lot of questions about how Vikas Dubey, this gangster who was apparently wanted in all these states and who apparently the cops were on high alert for, managed to go through each of these states with absolutely no problems. He drove a Brezza. We showed you those pictures also yesterday. And finally today, last night, we saw the cops driving him from Madhya Pradesh to Uttar Pradesh, and early this morning is when we reported on that news of the encounter that happened and the car in which the task force were carrying Dubey in, that turned turtle, that overturned, and only that vehicle overturned. He then apparently tried to escape, took a weapon, took the gun from a policeman who was sitting next to him and then tried to flee, which is when an encounter broke out and he fired at police officials, leading to 2 cops being injured. In turn, the police officials fired back. He was gravely injured. He was rushed to a hospital and the doctors declared him dead. So those are the sequence of events, and we wanted to break it down for you from July 3rd. How there's been a manhunt for him. Finally, he was found in Ujjain, and in less than 24 hours after his arrest, he's now shot dead in an encounter.
Right, Akshita, thank you for taking us through the chronology.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.